Sense-making trackers and reasoning tools. Why are we using these? How does this work? I wanted to review what a sense-making tracker does, and I wanted to show you again how you can use the sense-making tracker to fill out your reasoning tool. After you have both of these filled out, you can very easily write an argument to support your claim. So if we take a look at the sense-making tracker, our subclaim on this example, if you can look up here at the top, it says bacteria from the fecal transplant can help the patient's body produce immune cells that kill invading bacteria. So we have the information that we have looked up, and we got this information because we have our source of evidence right here. This one happens to be the experiment with the mice. And so we put in, what did we figure out from the mice chart? What is it that we can figure out about this specific subclaim? We did that for the mice chart. We did that for the article, the bacteria article. And we also looked at the patient study from week 7 to 9 after the fecal transplant. So I have this as a split screen so you can see when I come over here now to my reasoning tool, my subclaim is exactly the same. Bacteria from the fecal transplant can help the patient's body produce immune cells that kill invading bacteria. So what I want to do is take my evidence. You can see that right here, this is showing the exact same thing as what I have in my sense-making tracker. So what I want to do is I want to copy and paste that information. Whoopsie. I'm going to undo real quick. I'm going to copy. I think I accidentally cut it. So I'm going to paste it right here. And boom, you can see that this evidence is the same as what I have on my sense-making tracker. Now I'm going to go to the article. Same thing. Go to your sense-making tracker and highlight it. My computer's giving me fits here. So let me try again. So I'm going to highlight, copy, and place that information on my reasoning tool. This is the evidence. So I can see right here that this says evidence. Where did I get the evidence from? Is right here. And that information that came right off of my sense-making tracker, I put on my reasoning tool. This is to help you so that then when you get ready to do your argument, you can very easily put that information together to create the argument. Now that I have this information taken from my sense-making tracker, now I'm going to put my claim in. So subclaim, it says here subclaim. This should actually probably say subclaim. That might have been confusing, but it's basically a subclaim is a claim. It's just that it's a little bit smaller of part. It's a small part of the big claim. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put that as my claim. And I'm going to do that for each one. And now I can go back and I can look here and I can piece this together. So you've already done the evidence. You've already looked at when the mice had B. fragilis, another helpful bacteria in the gut microbiome, the number of immune cells were high. This is helpful because immune cells help to fight off harmful bacteria. So what you're going to do now is you're going to say, why does this matter? This is the reasoning part. So you're going to put that information in. Once you have this information for the 3 parts, now you're ready to put together your argument. And you can very easily then take your reasoning tool and use your reasoning tool to then write your argument.